Hi everyone, welcome back to dptutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to create custom lists and use AutoFill like a pro in Microsoft Excel. If you want to enter the same type of data like months, departments, product names or city names over and over again, this trick is a time saver for you. You might already be using built-in ones like dragging January to fill months, dragging Sunday to fill days. But did you know you can create your own? Let's say you have these Indian cities that you want to reuse often in the same order. Go to the File tab, click on Options. In the Excel Options dialog box, select Advanced, scroll down to the General section and click on Edit Custom Lists. In the Custom List dialog box, either type your list manually, one item per line, or import directly from cells in your worksheet. Click Add, then OK, done. Now that your custom list is saved, just type the first item, for example, Mumbai, then grab the fill handle, drag it down or across. Excel will automatically fill the rest of the cities in the same order as your custom list. It's super, right? You can use AutoFill to fill weekdays, months, copy patterns like Team A, Team B, etc. Even autofill numbers, dates or formulas. For example, type Q1 in one cell and Q2 below, select both the cells, drag the fill handle, Excel continues Q3, Q4 and so on. You can even customize patterns like Project 101, Project 102, etc. and Excel will keep going. Deleting a custom list. If you ever want to remove a custom list, go back to the Custom List dialog box, select your list, click Delete and Excel will clean up. And that's how you can create custom lists and AutoFill like a boss in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.